Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at the GS Bitcoin robot, the grid strategy Bitcoin robot that we introduced about a week or so ago. We're going to look at the second week worth of results, how much it's made, what's the drawdown been like in the time that we've had the robot, and then see what the predictions are for the upcoming weeks and months. So just a reminder, this GS Bitcoin robot is from a Russian vendor, Trader21.ru. In this particular case, I've had it Google translated just so that we could understand what we're looking at. For those who haven't seen this robot before, it trades specifically Bitcoin USD on a 5-minute time frame. You've got three preset settings. One is a safe setting, one is a medium, and one is a high risk setting, as you can see here on the screen. We've got obviously recommendations for brokers and things like that, but I've used kind of just the standard setup. So let's jump into that quickly. So we can see here we're running the Bitcoin USD GS robot on a COT 4X demo account. We've had $1,000 as the starting deposit. Remember, we have three preset settings. However, on the safe setting, you could even make it even safer by only trading longs or only trading shorts, so only taking buys or only taking sells. We went with the preset standard settings, safe settings, buys and sells. Okay, so let's take a look at what we've got going on over here. Remember, this does trade 24/7, obviously being Bitcoin. We're currently sitting at about $52, $53 in drawdown at the moment, so that's not particularly terrible. The most that I've ever seen was about $60, $65, so well even under the the 10% mark on drawdown on this particular robot. So going into the weekend, we've got two buys and one sell. It does use some sort of grid strategy as well as a hedging strategy from what I've gathered so far. So let's take a look in terms of actual profit. Let's just have a comparison here quickly from the previous week. So from the previous week, we're looking at about $10 worth of profit. That was the first week that we looked at. Actually, I should be looking at it from a Sunday to Sunday, considering it does trade on the weekend as well. So let's take it from the 19th, and we will take it up until the 25th. There we go. That's much better. So we're sitting with about $20 actually worth of profit, taking it from a Sunday to Sunday. So full week, you can see here we had the $1,000 deposited on the 19th, and we've run it for a 2-week. Most of them, as you can see, were buys initially, and well, almost all of them, with the exception of one sell. Having two hit the take profit. The stop losses come in sort of a trailing stop loss as well to keep it into profit. So we've made $20 in the first week, and then let's look at the results for the past week that we've had it. So this past week that we've had the robot, it's now sitting on $12. So pretty much almost half what we had last week. Again, it's not going to have huge profit returns like we have on the Swing VIP, Pro, or on the Pro Max Gold EA that we're testing as well. Remember, this is supposed to be a safe setting on Bitcoin, especially. We're taking small lot sizes. We aren't increasing the risk at all. So we can't expect huge returns with very low drawdown. And I think this is quite a nice robot, like we mentioned, something a bit different from the general forex and gold robots. If you want to diversify your risk portfolio, we've obviously got the Promax Gold, which has a lot of drawdown but much more profitable, and then the Swing VIP, we're kind of finding somewhere in the middle, a bit safer settings. But so far so good. I don't know if I'll be going live on this robot as yet. I think it's still a bit too slow for me. We're currently looking at about, what would you call it, essentially $33 in profit for the 2 weeks. So we'll see at the month end if we're setting something, you know, a bit more substantial, we may land up going live on this robot and testing it out. At the moment, though, I think it's not gonna make it to the live testing. We've obviously got the Pro Max, which makes a healthy profit every month, and the Swing VIP last month, if you see the last video, has made $200 in the first month of testing. So those are a lot more profitable than this. This is a lot safer, but I don't know if it will make the cut. But overall, I'm still pleased with this robot. Would definitely recommend you guys to check it out. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.